The 2026 Hyundai Palisade is expected to be an evolution of the current third-row SUV in Hyundai's lineup, maintaining its blend of luxury, space, and tech-forward features while likely introducing updates to enhance its appeal to families and consumers seeking a premium yet accessible SUV. The 2026 Hyundai Palisade is anticipated to remain a top contender in the three-row midsize SUV category. With its blend of luxury, practicality, technology, and family-friendly features, it's positioned to appeal to a wide range of consumers. Its competitive pricing combined with Hyundai's growing reputation for quality and reliability makes it an attractive choice for buyers looking for a high-quality, value-packed SUV. The Hyundai Palisade is a three-row midsize SUV that competes with other family-oriented models such as the Kia Telluride, Toyota Highlander, Ford Explorer, and Honda Pilot. Since its introduction, the Palisade has earned praise for its value proposition, upscale interior, and suite of safety features. For the 2026 model year, Hyundai is expected to continue refining this already solid offering, with the likelihood of updated styling, improved tech, and enhanced performance features. The 2026 Palisade will likely sport subtle design changes that modernize its already elegant aesthetic. The front end could feature new LED lighting elements, sharper grille design, and more refined bumper treatments. Hyundai may opt for an updated version of its parametric dynamics grille that has become a signature in recent models. Expect the body shape to stay largely similar, maintaining its muscular yet sophisticated SUV proportions. The overall silhouette may be a bit more aerodynamic, with a slightly more refined roofline or window treatment. Hyundai could also introduce new alloy wheel designs and possibly unique color options to appeal to a broader range of customers. Inside, the 2026 Hyundai Palisade will likely see further upgrades to its already premium cabin. While the current Palisade already offers luxurious materials like high-quality leather upholstery, soft-touch plastics, and wood or metal accents, Hyundai could refine these elements even more, especially in the higher trims. The center console may be slightly redesigned to feature new, larger displays or more intuitive control knobs. Expect to see a 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system as standard, with the possibility of offering a 14-inch option for top trims. The screen would likely be paired with a digital instrument cluster to provide a cohesive tech-forward user experience. The cabin layout will likely remain spacious, providing generous legroom in both the second and third rows. Hyundai may also offer more flexible seating options, such as captain's chairs in the second row for added comfort or a more upscale seating configuration in higher trims. Expect features like power-adjustable seats, ventilated and heated seats across all rows, and possibly even massage features in the front seats for top-tier trims. Hyundai has consistently integrated cutting-edge technology into the Palisade, and the 2026 version will likely further push this trend. Expect a top-of-the-line infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, cloud-based navigation, and possibly a more refined voice control system. Hyundai may also enhance its premium audio system offering, likely continuing its partnership with Harman Kardon for crisp, clear sound. In terms of connectivity, the 2026 Palisade might offer more USB-C ports, additional wireless charging pads, and potentially an integrated Wi-Fi hotspot. Some versions of the vehicle may also come equipped with rear seat entertainment screens or the ability to stream content directly to rear screens via apps. The 2026 Palisade is expected to continue using the same engine options as its predecessor, with likely improvements in efficiency and refinement. The base engine will likely remain a 3.8-liter V6, producing around 291 horsepower and paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. This engine provides plenty of power for daily driving and highway cruising. Hyundai may tweak the suspension and chassis for improved ride comfort and handling, potentially refining the all-wheel drive system for better traction in various driving conditions. Hyundai could also make slight improvements to its hybrid and electric versions of the Palisade, assuming the brand continues to explore hybrid powertrains in this segment. The 2026 Hyundai Palisade is expected to be equipped with a robust suite of safety features, as Hyundai continues to prioritize driver and passenger protection across its vehicle lineup. Hyundai's Smart Sense suite of active safety features has been one of the key selling points of the Palisade, and the 2026 model will likely offer an even more comprehensive suite to protect both the driver and passengers. The 2026 Hyundai Palisade will likely take safety and driving assistance to the next level with a combination of preventive safety features, crash protection, and semi-autonomous driving capabilities. The integration of more advanced sensors, cameras, and AI technologies will help to make the driving experience not only safer but also more intuitive and less stressful. With these systems, Hyundai is aiming to provide a comprehensive safety net that can actively protect drivers and passengers while also assisting in daily driving tasks. The 2026 Hyundai Palisade is expected to continue offering a competitive and compelling range of pricing for a premium midsize SUV, positioned to appeal to families and those seeking both luxury and practicality. The base SE trim will remain an excellent value for buyers seeking an affordable 3-row SUV with essential features, while the higher trims, Limited and Calligraphy, will cater to those looking for more luxury and advanced technology. For those who want the best features, expect the Calligraphy trim to approach or exceed the $50,000 mark, offering a level of sophistication and refinement that competes with some of the top players in the market. With hybrid and possibly electric options, Hyundai will also be positioning the Palisade for future trends in the automotive market.